Hey guys, welcome back. Nice to see you again. My very first time going to Miami, going to Florida in general was pretty dope. I remember all the colors, Ocean Drive, South Beach, Art Deco District. You guys know exactly what I'm talking about, right? And I absolutely loved it. I still love it to this day. And one thing that stuck with me forever was a certain color combination, which is black and white, white and black. I absolutely love it. And if I could, I would have a white Porsche 911 with the black roof, black wheels, black accents everywhere, you name it. And yes, before you go there, it is not compensating for anything. You can simply ask. Okay then. Moving on, the Galaxy Z Flip 3 has 3 exclusive colors you can order at Samsung.com. And yes, you guessed it, my favorite color is black and white, white and black, and I have ordered it and it's here, right here with me in true Miami fashion. And spoiler alert, if you are looking to buy a new Z Flip 3, go for one of the exclusive colors. I can promise you, you will not regret it. So the first thing you will notice when you get the box in your hand, that the Z on the box itself has all the colors on there. It is different than from your regular Z Flip 3 unboxing video you see. And small disclaimer, this is not one of your another yet review. It is basically just showing you that pretty dope color. And here is what I really love about this color combination. The white is matte. It is not glossy, it is not shiny, it simply is matte. And this, my friends, makes a huge difference to me. That is because when you look at that cream version, it's all glossy everywhere, it's shiny, it has that chrome hinge. I really didn't like it, but what I can tell you here, this is the killer combination you can get of all times. And that's the next thing I also really love about this color combination. The black is matte everywhere. There is no chrome or anything else that could spoil this color combination. Look at the sides, look at the front, look at the hinge. All is kept in matte black and it looks stunning. I do believe only the Phantom Black version is matte black everywhere else. Needless to say, this, my friends, is my go-to Samsung phone from now on, because look at it, it is simply just beautiful. And to top it all off, I also have the Galaxy Watch 4 in that very same combination. Fancy that, what a coincidence. I must really love the color combination. Hey, if you have any questions with regards to this color combination, let me know in the comments below. It's pretty dope though, don't you think? Give us a like and a comment, really appreciate it. Peace.